Hello guys, welcome back. And in this video, this is going to be our last video. So hope you guys enjoy. I know it's still early to say that, but let's go ahead and create our last piece of the puzzle finding the last piece of the puzzle. So let's go ahead and do that by going to views and pages and index.js. So once you have done that, you are going to create a new bootstrap class, div class, and you're gonna put row. So once you have done that, grams.forEach. For each, this is to loop all of the grams object, which is this one. Alright, to loop all the basically PDS, loop all the popular pictures and just show it off. So we are going to for each one of the object, and we are going to add a callback function. Gram, as usual, you know, gram will be the instance of for each, grams.forEach. So once you have done that, div class, as in EJS, always remember to close it. Alright, always remember that. So once you have done that, go ahead and add all the CSS, custom CSS that we just created in the previous video, which is Instagram. We're going to use Instagram pic, which is this one, and you're gonna put in Instagram pic, call sm small, column small, and then we close this. And in here you're gonna add a href tag, a link tag, and I'm going to add this gram.link. Alright, so gram will be gram is the object of, is the instance of grams object. So it has laying and stuff. So this over here will whenever you click a specific picture, it will go to an Instagram single page photo, right? So as usual, always remember to close it. To close here. Alright, so once you have done that, you're gonna add right now. Sorry, there's a slight problem with here. I'm kind of confused where to put this. So it's supposed to be here and then here. Alright, okay. So and then you're gonna, sorry for my stupidity sometimes. So you're just gonna put blank. What target blank will do is it will go straight to the single page application, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not very good in HTML. So in this a tag, you're gonna add image source. Again, you're gonna add this, and remember to close it early, you know, and I don't want to get confused. Gram.images. So as for my understanding, whenever you render the object of this one, like the object of the API, you always have to put equals, alright, as opposed to you just want to include, or you just want to do some, you know, normal programming like for loop and stuff. You don't need to put that. But if you want to showcase or show the object, you always have to remember, always put equal sign, like gram.length, gram.images, So we're gonna continue. Gram.images standard resolution. If you don't know what I'm writing all of this, this is all based on the npm that we just saw in a couple, in the last video. So lastly, image responsive. Alright. So once you have done this, you're gonna go down here, create another div class, and as usual you're gonna close it, and you can put Instagram bar, and put in div class likes, and you're gonna add span class equals to glyph icon, heart, not header, span, close the span, and as usual always remember to close it. You don't want to get you don't want to get stuck like me just now. So go here and grab gramcomments.com. so this will be the list of the comments of each photos. Alright, so once you have done that, I think that's pretty much it. I'm sorry, it's a like, so alright, I'm just gonna cut this. It's not supposed to be comments, it's supposed to be likes, equals to gram.likes. We're gonna count the likes first, then we're gonna count the comments. This will be the likes of an each photo. And type in comments. Alright, close it. And span class. We don't want to waste our time over here. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna copy this. Alright, and just gonna copy this. First, we're just gonna copy this and paste it here, and you're gonna change heart to comment, and you're gonna change gram likes to comments. Alright, and down here you're going to close it. Always remember to close it. Alright, so once you have done that, semicolon, and there we have it. Now we are done. So I hope it's going to work, because we haven't tested at all. The reason why I haven't tested at all, because it is a very simple application. That's the reason why I did not test it. So go ahead and power up the PowerShell if you haven't powered up it yet, and type in node and server.js. Let's hope it's working. Refresh. I assume there will be a slight problem. Pages, views, error failed to look up view. Alright, go back here. Alright. It's supposed to be views. Refresh and cancel the server again. Clear. And then refresh. Alright. I think there's another problem. No default engine was specified this time. Oh, let me pause this video for a while and let me fix it. Alright, actually I made a small mistake. Alright, go back to your folder again, and you're not supposed to put views in public folder. I'm really sorry. You're supposed to put it outside of here, so that alright, we're gonna close this template for a while. We're gonna close Sublime, and you're gonna cut this and paste it here. The reason why, alright, the reason why, because if you set this EJS, alright, if you go back to here, if you go down here, render, why we didn't put in views like this or public.views? EJS will once you have set up this, EJS will automatically search for a views folder, and it will search for specific things like pages index, because that's what EJS does. It will search, you know, by itself. Like if you have a views folder, only if you have views folder it will search by itself, because if you don't have views folder you will get an error like what I got just now, like fail to look up view pages index in views directory. See, in views directory, just now, if you remember, we put views in public, but how the hell did EJS know that in views that there is a views directory or whatever? I know this is really confusing, but it's not confusing as it is actually. So let's clear and node.server again, and let's hope it's going to work. Refresh. Photo application, I believe it's working. Alright, it's working. So now this is our application. This is all the famous photos on Instagram. So if you want to see more popular photos, just press F5, refresh, and it will automatically change the photos and will render all the famous popular photos. Refresh again, so you can see all the likes, and this is all the comments. Alright, so it's nice, but I think we have a problem. It's basically we have a slight problem because our likes doesn't show up. Go back to index.ejs and go down here, this one, cram.likes.com. Over here, and alright, I think everything is working just fine. Click one of the file, one of photos, and it will go to the specific photo single page. So there we have it, a complete photo application using Instagram API. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Sometimes it's kind of, you know, problematic, like, you know, you stumble upon a lot of errors, small errors sometimes you couldn't even solve. But don't worry, never give up. Keep doing, ask questions. You can ask me questions, and I hope you guys enjoy again, and thank you for watching this video, this whole entire course, and I'll see you guys in the next project if I ever build one. Alright, see you guys soon. Bye.